In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Cpanel in Hostinger 2025, log in, and navigate through the Hostinger Cpanel tutorial. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refresh their skills, this walkthrough will guide you step by step. So let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. Firstly, you'll want to open your web browser and head straight to Hostinger's website. You can do this simply by typing hpanel.hostinger.com into your address bar and hitting enter. This will take you to Hostinger's control panel where you'll be managing all of your hosting services. Once you're on the website, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the account button. Give that a click. This account section is where you manage your Hostinger profile and access the features necessary for controlling your web hosting services. The next step is to head over to account sharing. Click on this option, which will direct you to the section where you can manage who gets access to your account's features and services. Account sharing is particularly handy if you're working with a team or need to delegate certain tasks to someone else. Now that you're in the account sharing section, you'll see the option labeled Grant Access. Click on it. Here, you'll find the tools you need to share access to your account with others securely. This is especially useful for assigning specific roles to team members or collaborators without compromising your account security. Once you've clicked Grant Access, a field will appear prompting you to type in the email address of the individual you wish to grant access to. Be sure to enter the correct email address associated with the person's Hostinger account. Then proceed by selecting their role. Click on Admin if you want the user to have full administrative privileges. For specialized roles, you've got other options too. After selecting the admin role, you'll need to specify what services they can manage. This might include things like domains, billing, or email configurations, depending on how you'd like them involved. Choose accordingly to make sure they have the right level of access they need to perform their tasks effectively. Finally, review your selections and make sure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, click Grant Access to finalize the process. And there you have it. You have now successfully managed user access within your Hostinger account, ensuring a collaborative and efficient web hosting experience. Keep these steps in mind as they'll come in handy whenever you need to adjust access permissions in the future. Thank you for watching and happy managing!